Hi everyone. In this example, we're going to be working with applications of exponential models. In this specific example, we're going to be looking at compound interest. So recall that exponential models either represent growth or decay. And some popular applications involving exponential growth are populations and investments. But most of the time, you could have a population that decreases exponentially and an investment that decreases exponentially, although you would not want to have that. Typically, we look at populations and growth and investments in growth. Now, the equation that we use is going to be A equals P times the quantity 1 plus R divided by N to the N times T power. And so principal is the starting amount, how much you put into the account at first. R is the annual percentage rate. N is the number of times we need to compound, and that's over here. We have annual, semi-annually, quarterly, monthly, weekly, and daily. So those are your N values for a few of them, so you can try to memorize those. And T is how long we are going to compound that interest. So let's look at an example. Okay, so you're going to deposit $3,000 into an account and it's paying 3% interest and it's going to be compounded quarterly. How much will you have in the account after 7 years? So what I can do is I can just write the equation so I have it. Okay, so it's a good habit to get into. We're going to have 1 plus R over N to the N times T. Now, we want the interest rate. R is 3%. Okay, well, that's equivalent to 0.03, 3% in a decimal. So be careful of that. So now, once we have the equation written, it's just a matter of substitution. So I'm going to have 3,000. That's my principal. That's what I started with. 1 plus, and the 1 is there because this is growth, and it's going to be 0.03 over quarterly. The number of times I'm going to compound this interest is quarterly, so that's 4 times. Okay, and then we're going for 7 years, so it's 4 times 7 up in the power. I can simplify this a little bit, and I can do 1 plus 300 or 3% over 4, and I get 1.0075. Okay, so that's barely over 1, so it is growth, and this is 28. Just simply plug this into the calculator, and we're going to end up, after 7 years, approximately with $3,698.14. So if I don't touch that, I make $698.14 in interest over 7 years. Not a lot, but it's basically free money. So if you guys have any questions or comments on using or how to use compound interest, you can go ahead and type your questions below. We'll see you next time.